Hi, and welcome to the 4POS kitchen display system. Um, as you can see, we now cater for a kitchen display for restaurants as well. You can ring up items from multiple terminals. You can see the detail of it. You can also bump or serve certain items. Argument's sake, the starters have been done and you can serve them. Look at the details of it, serve the alcohol for instance. You can also select which items must display or not. If you do not want your alcohol to display on the kitchen monitor, obviously that's standard. You can select the number of items on the display. You can change the size of the screen, in other words, and you can have multiple orders coming at the same time. Once an order is finished, you can either bump selected items or bump the full order. And as you bump an order, obviously the following tables, the tables that have not been displayed yet, will then move up into the list. Thank you for your time.